Hello viewers, welcome to episode service 990 tips and travel today. Today I'm showing how to download any video, almost any video from AB Download Manager. Today I am reviewing this best download manager right now. First of all, we are going to browser and type AB Download Manager. Website to show, just click AB Download Manager and simply your downloads, click get, then choose Windows and direct exe file download link. Now download is starting, and download browser extension. If you use Google Chrome, click Google Chrome, or use Firefox, click Firefox. Add to Chrome or add to Firefox as you wish. You can add the extension. When you complete your download, just right click and run as administrator. Click next. Then I install. The install is complete. Now this time you can see more video to follow us and subscribe our YouTube channel. And just click. Now your AB Download Manager interface is open. Is compressed program, video, music, picture, documents, and finished item is there. Unfinished item is here. All of your content is click on. You can see it. Now we can try to download video or any other site. Like I'm going to download ISO file. This time ISO available ISO file. Just click. Now scroll down and select download Windows 11. Download now. Now choose your product language. Choose English, United States, then confirm. Now you can see download 64-bit. Now your AB Download Manager prompt is pop up. Then just click with download. Your download is started. More than as usual, download speed to high transfer rate. Download rate is very high. You can see 6.5 Mbps per second. It's huge. Download speed is huge. Now you can check it out. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more tips and more video. Download speed is fantastic. They show 200 MB per second. Downloaded just few seconds. Download is like, comment, share, and subscribe us.